off, we want to start the panel orientated so that the number is up. I like to put the mounting block, which is this item. We have a painted side that's going to go in towards the panel. We're going to keep the bottom of the block, which is the red end, flush with the bottom of the panel. So we peel the transfer tape. Making sure we have the panel upright. Hanging screw at the top, red end at the bottom. Put the point of the block flush with the end of the panel. We'll put a block on the right side of each panel. Paint it in, flush with the bottom. Last panel, making sure the number is upright. And my last block. Push the blocks on firmly so you know that they are attached. Take your second panel, flip it around to the end, use it as another block. You're going to attach it to the first panel. Peel the transfer tape off the other side of the block. You want to make sure that your edge of your panel is flush with the point on the hanging block. Look inside, make sure you're getting full contact on your tape. And we take the last panel, making sure it's upright. Peel the transfer tape off the block of panel number 2. Peel the transfer tape off the block on panel number 3. Attach it to panel number 2, making the end of the panel flush with the block. Look inside, make sure we have full contact. Last corner, same thing. Nice and flush with the point of the block. Once again, look inside, make sure we have full contact. Okay, now we add 6 screws per corner for a total of 18. We have pilot hole locations. It's just a printed dot. This is a panel I've already used for example, so the dots are no longer there. Bring the screws flush without breaking the paper, if possible. Once the corners are secure, we have these covers. Peel the transfer tape and stick them on. Watch from the top. Make sure you get your profile of the 60-degree corner correct. Attach the bottom evenly. Repeat for all three corners. I've already peeled the transfer tape on these.
Line it up on the top there.
What you want to do is set the corner on so that you have a nice 60-degree angle.